Right, I found these videos on the PC of this Workzone table bandsaw that I bought last year, 2017. You can see it was well packed, but I don't do unboxing because basically you open the box and take it out, and there you go. And there it is, and you can see the lawnmower behind it that I've reviewed already, showing basically how big it is. That's how big it is, look. You have to fit the table. We'll zoom down now. Here's the tools. It's just a screwdriver, a double-ended screwdriver, spanner, couple of Allen keys. There's the manual. There's a bit of wood for pushing your bits across so you don't do your fingers. And this is the guide, which this pillock in the video has trouble fitting, as you'll see later on. And here's the table, which you have to fit. That's the only assembly you have to do. Remove that bit and fit it. Keep watching. I don't know what he's doing that for. You don't need to do that yet. Right, these knobs are for adjusting. It's a good idea to check all the adjustments before you start. It's fairly well adjusted. That's for raising and lowering the guard, as you can see. And that's the clamping arrangement for the table. And there's a gauge just under there, you might just see. Now we've removed that clamping piece so that you can get it across the blade like this. There's the clamping screws removed. There's that bit. Now with one hand we'll try and fit this table because the other hand is holding the camera. Now you'll know from the quality of my videos I don't spend a lot of time doing it, but this was about the third take. Ooh, go on, get it down there. Oh, go on, what are you messing about at? Hey. There, you can see the scale now for the angle. And that little piece of plastic is popped out, which is it's dead easy, just pops back in again. And then there's a couple of washers and the clamping nuts go on there. You don't have to see me do the other one as well, that'll do. Put the camera down and finish the job then. There you go, and that's popped back in now. Job's a good one. Just need to put that little bracket thing back in, that bit. And this is to show you the internal mechanism. There are settings in there, there are little guides and stuff, which I said before, they're fairly well set before you start. This is the guide, it's all aluminium, so a little bit of lubrication needed in there. Like all these Chinese machines, just keep a bit of oil on the bearings every so often to stop them drying out, and it should last for years. See, there's the rack and pinion arrangement. And the tension for the belt. And then if we go down to the bottom, I don't know why I've left the guard right down like that, pillock. You can see the switches there. There's one of the guides, it's two steel things. Bottom left you can see a brush to clean the band as it comes round. Bottom right you can see the connection for the extractor if you want to fit one. Now here's the guide, look. Now this is where he's struggling. We were thinking of sending it back because this didn't clamp. See, you fold it over like that and it doesn't clamp, it's still loose. So what are we going to do then? Because it doesn't tell you how to tighten it up in the instructions anywhere. So he's having another go now, look, he just comes off in his hand. Have another go. Now maybe he was being a bit dim at this point, but it might be obvious to other people, but there is a solution to this, and we were looking for bits missing and goodness knows what, but eventually you'll see the light come on, and all of a sudden, if you watch in a minute, look, it's trying it again, look, it won't tighten up, it will not tighten up, and then all of a sudden, ding! What you do is you screw it round, because it's on a threaded bar, and then you can even tighten it up like that. There you go. Dead easy. Now you were all saying, oh, that's obvious, look. What a dip. So there you go, another great buy from Aldi. And I've just found the receipt, and it was $79.99 on the 12th of May 2017. And it's a very good machine. I've used it quite a lot. Brilliant for the amateur. The only downside, if anything, is the size of it. And you're not going to make it any smaller, but just something to bear in mind, it does take up a bit of room. So go and get yourself one. Thanks for watching. See you later.